is helpful. First of all, like a condo, then you need to remember this word, which is CC&R, which I already know, covenant, mhm, and condition. And condition is already like divisible, qualified, and subsequent and preceded. Here is restriction. Restriction, all we need to remember is one is private and one is public. Public normally deal with zoning, and private normally they said it is a deed. And whoever more stringent, this is the word, stringent means strict. Whoever strict overrule. So if the private normally is more stringent than the public, then we go with the stringent one. And this is the first document. The second document that we need to come across is called financial statement. Financial statement is mean that now here there is a lot of condo in a district. Then when I, a buyer, want to buy a condo, I have to have three documents. First is the CC&R, second is the financial statement, and which the third one is called bylaw. Do you know what is bylaw? No. Okay. Bylaw in Chinese is 违章, and it means this association is called homeowner association.
Oh, okay.
Right. And in Chinese, if it says 章, it actually means the law. So it is the law of the association. What does bylaw really do is it says now we are going to have a committee. The committee is going to be only 7. Let's say this is only an example. The numbers are all examples, not necessarily 7. It can be 12. Homeowner, this condo have 100 homeowner in the condo unit, and so we pick like 7 homeowner, and then only more than 2/3 of the vote on that meeting we consider as a legal vote. Let's say like if 7 people come, then we can vote. But if only 3 people come to that regular meeting, we are not going to count anything because only 3 people, maybe only 4 people. Who defined this rule? By law. Who said you are the director? Who said that you are the secretary? By law, will write it down and say that in year 2011, our director is going to be selected by voting. Every 2 years, we have director being elected. Every 2 years, 2/3 of the vote is going to be counted as a valid vote.
Okay.
Things like that. So all these power data, all these rules and regulations governing the HOA,
Okay.
where do we find it? It's by law. Right. Why we have a director, we don't call it president or vice president by law. But when every month the homeowner pay 100 or 300, call the homeowner fee, then how do the homeowner knows how you spend, how the association spent? Then the homeowner association has one person called treasurer. The treasurer is going to produce a financial statement, or maybe accountant. It doesn't have to be. Accountant is going to produce a financial statement. Some of them produce every month. Some of them produce every quarterly. Some of them even produce a year. Then it's whatever by law says. However, I'm a new buyer. I buy a new condo. I have to know it. I have to know what the game is going to be played. I have to know how much I pay and goes to where. And so I have to know what my part, my responsibility, CC&R. And so all these 3 documents the homeowner association
Responsibility.
a condo purchase have to provide these three documents.
Okay.
Yeah.